Hi, my name is Phillip Orue with Force Dump Trailers, a division of Forest River. Today I'm going to take you around the 14-foot Scissor Lift Dump Trailer. All of our dump trailers come standard with an adjustable coupler, 7,000-pound jack, a lockable pump box. Also on the right side you'll find an onboard battery charger. Next you'll notice three more standard features: the tarp kit with ratchet crank, spare tire mount, and heavy-duty ramps on the side for easy accessibility. Another standard feature is our 10-gauge bed and sides with heavy-duty D-rings mounted to uprights for added support. Also, we mount them on the side instead of the bed, so it's easier to tie down skid steers or whatever you may intend to haul. Each of our dump trailers comes standard with a two-way combo gate, a barn door gate, and a spreader gate. One of the greatest features of Force dump trailers is that each dump trailer comes with an over 45-degree dump angle. For more information, please visit forcetrailers.com.